I live across from the Maidstone landfill, and the hauling of the dirt has been a big issue since they started, with no notice to any of the residences. The new entrance that they created right in front of two of our houses instead of using the original entrance has been a real pain. The dust, the dirt, the noise, and having no control, no say over anything that's ever happened so far. It's just a little aggravating for what's been going on. Without our council coming down or our mayor, there's just so many issues that we're having with the noise and the traffic, and it's just been a real pain trying to live here without any input.